Everyone talks about building a dream life. Travel the world, work on your own terms, make more money, live in peace. But here's the part they don't say out loud. Your dream life will never happen unless you build it with your own two hands. You don't stumble into success. You don't accidentally wake up with freedom. You earn it day by day. And the process, it's not always pretty. It takes sacrifice, focus, late nights, early mornings, saying no to temporary pleasure so you can say yes to permanent freedom. See, most people dream with their mouth. They talk big, but their actions stay small. You have to be different. You have to match your dreams with your discipline because your dream life is out there. But it's not waiting for you. It's passing you by every day you stay stuck in comfort, every time you hit snooze, every time you scroll instead of build, every time you wait instead of act. That dream life gets farther. So today, let this be your wake-up call. Don't just survive. Don't just repeat. Create. Every hour is a brick. Every habit is a tool. And every sacrifice, that's the price you pay to build something real. You don't need luck. You don't need more time. You need to decide right now that this version of you is not your final form. There's more waiting, but you've got to go get it. Follow if you're done sleeping on yourself and ready to build the life they said you couldn't have.